Hey guys, Airsoft here doing another unboxing. This will be my second video. And this is the Airsoft GI Too Cheap to Be True Recreation 2. And I'm hoping not to get a shotgun. But if I do, I only got a shotgun. But I already saw that the MSK was won. Got to see that Friday. That was upsetting, but I'll get over it. I need a gun bag, so that'd be nice to get a gun bag. But I'll be happy with whatever I get, because it's only $20, so it's $20. What are you gonna do? The sides were already open, probably due to shipping and handling. I mean, Airsoft GI, they give out great shipping, but this could just be the mail. So start opening this up. Alright. Well, I got paper. That's nice. Order form. And, oh, yep. I got the wonderful shotgun. Actually kind of heavy. Such a big, gigantic box for such a little shotgun. UK Arms. But, you know, can't be too mad. $20. What are you gonna do? Got your lovely manual. Could have really used a gun bag, but you know, I'll deal with it. Wonderful plastic, nice. Good old jamming rod. If I'm not mistaken, these usually have ends. This side has the cleaning part, but no unjamming part. That's nice. Cardboard cutout. And all that's just crammed in there, so that's cool. Speed loader. Cheap little red dot. Just to make them look cool. Flashlight. These flashlights are actually really nice, even though they're really cheap. Some free sample BBs. Wouldn't have a problem running those through this shotgun, because that's a cheap shotgun. I got 15,000 of these. Don't need any more, but it's great. Shotgun shells, not really. I mean, shotgun shells are great. So, and a little scabbard. Hold my shotgun shells and wrap it around my gun, and all these batteries. Well, thanks for watching. And like, favorite, subscribe, leave a comment.